Now this one they full and go. You see him. He won't knock him, but he no agree. Problem. Oh boy, yeah. Animal own was too. He not even shift. See, they watch now. Anyway, when they go in, they full him because he won't knock. When they pay me now, be say once he knock and give him belly, he go leave him. Once he knock and now like this, now give him belly, bam, he go leave him. He not even send the girl again. Like that, the girl come bump again. If you bump again, Jazpa no go send that. You not even do him more go. But Naim still give him belly. Now, wow, shout out to Dogs Association. They want. I want show you something. Make I show you something. I go confirm. See, you see these two dogs now. You see these two dogs. The other one a German Shepherd. This one a Cocushan. Then that German Shepherd now, they on her period or whatever. Like the time where they take gay belly. Why this German Shepherd now, man? So since when that one don't enter that period of 18, this one no they give her space again. As that one they work at this on the full arm, as that one they work at this on the full arm. So like this now, this one with this black one won't come. They watch now. Look now they watch now. Now they watch. Now they see what I talk. You come be like side they lie. You see I see the full arm. Now gear be that German Shepherd. Why the Caucasian na man? So like this way it be. Anywhere where that gear go, now this one they full and go. You see him. He won't knock him, but he no agree. Problem. Oh boy, yeah. Animal own was too. He not even shift. See, they watch now. Anyway, when they go in, they full him because he won't knock, and the girl no agree. It's as girls they do guy for us, we be human being. Now so dog they do guy for male dog. So you see him. If he come out now, he go full and come out. Anyway, when he go the full him. If another dog come close now, he go fight him. Hey, oh boy, now the sweet side they talk. When I say now why now the why now, see how now. It does the full him. Anywhere where he go the full him. Anywhere where he go the full him. Anywhere where the gear go, the guy go full him. Anywhere they watch now. He won't knock. If the girl run, he run. The girl stop, he stop. The girl waka, he waka. We can't see be this. But then I juju that girl you score. You sure say that girl never go. He still the full arm. Anywhere where this girl go, this guy go full arm. Anywhere where he go full arm. See him. You don't enter inside. Make we dey watch him now. They see. You no go come out here today because the girl dey inside. The word says in the look am. Hi. Oh God. Says in the look am. The girl dey inside. Now the girl dey inside. You no go come up for you again. See that girl come outside. Jazpa boy. Jazpa boy. Jazpa boy. Jazpa boy. Jazpa boy want to knack. Jazpa want no knack. Jazpa want no knack. You see Jazpa's dick. Jazpa. Let me show you Jazpa's dick. Jazpa want to knack. Wetin they pay me now be say once he knock and give him belly, he go leave him. Once he knock and now like this, now give him belly, bam, he go leave him. He not even send the girl again. Like that, the girl come bump again. If you bump again, Jazpa no go send that. You not even do him more go. But Naim still give him belly. Now wow, shout out to Dogs Association. They want.